Today I am unboxing my Lola Beauty box for September. It did come. Lola is always one of the latest boxes to come. I think it ships like the third week of the month, so you get it pretty much always the fourth week. But typically it's well worth the wait. I've only been getting this for a couple months now, I believe, or was last month my first month? I don't know. Either way, yeah, I think this is only my second box. Wow. But I really liked my last one, so I'm super excited about this. And I'll be honest, I did watch some unboxing videos because I was a little anxious to get it and I just couldn't wait. But if you don't know Lola, like the name suggests, is a beauty box. It is $21 per month. It ships to the US and Canada. And I believe in the US it is free shipping, and if you live in Canada you have to pay $5 extra. And it's similar to the description of BoxyCharms, and it says you get 4 to 5 items per month, but you typically get around 5 from my experience and from watching videos. And it comes in this cute box, which I just think is adorable, and pink, and a little ombre effect going on down there. But anyways, I'm just gonna get unboxing. So when you unbox it, there is a piece of paper on top, and it says Vacation Farewell. And it has all of their social media handles on there. And then on the back it says description of all the items and their cost. So I'll add it all up at the end. Remember, it's $21. And it looks like there are 5 items. That's what I thought. So yeah, usually 5 full-size items. And I am just going to start with what I see on the top. And by the way, this is what it looks like inside. Can't really show you fully or it'll all fall out. But the first thing I see is a hand cream, and I love hand creams. I've probably said this before on my channel. I keep them all around my house, especially by sinks. Whenever I wash my hands, I just have to use it afterwards. And this is a clementine scent. I love the scent of orange for clementine. Yeah, it smells great. It has shea butter and cocoa butter. Cute packaging. So let's see what it says and how much it is. This is $8.95, and it says it is organic sea buckthorn oil, fair trade shea, and cocoa butter that absorb quickly, leaving hands nourished, protected, and ready to meet the day. Let's use a little bit. It's still so hot in Florida. How's the weather where you guys are? I know it's cooling down. Like when I checked Chicago weather earlier, it's like still on my weather app, you know, when you can scroll on your iPhone. I think it was like 52 this morning. I love the mornings here because they're like around 80, and now it's like in the 90s, and I can feel I have like a sweat stash going on. But I like the cream, by the way. All right, next thing. It is a matte liquid lipstick, it says. And this is by Beauty by Brianna. And it is in the shade Anna. Let's see. And this is $19. I can really feel the sweat. Sorry, guys. Oh, this is pretty. Someone else I was watching had a different color, I think, and I was like a little nervous by the color. I wonder, we must get different shades. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, and it says this is super long lasting, that it won't come off unless you use an oil. So I might not swatch it right now because this is the first video I'm doing today. I think I'm going to do a few because I got 3 boxes. I'm so excited. This is what it looks like. And how, whatever, I'm just gonna swatch a little bit of it. I'm not gonna put it on now. I love it. Oh my god, look how pretty that color is. I thought it was gonna be darker from something I watched. So that's exciting. Because I don't really look good in some berry shades, and I was thinking it was gonna be a berry type color, but it's like this gorgeous pink color, and it looks really smooth and nice. Oh, that's awesome. So you may see me with the swatch on my hand, but I usually have one anyways. So I'm super excited about this. It says it's highly comfortable, extremely long wear lipstick that dries matte with intense color payoff and is transfer proof and kiss proof. Cool. I did watch a video, I can't remember who it was, but I remember they tried it on in the video and they said it actually did feel really nice. Because sometimes I don't like the feel of matte lipstick. I feel like it's really drying and it just doesn't feel comfortable. Like you want to put gloss over it or something. Alright, the next thing I see is a palette. Wraps nicely. I always keep this to use things like this for my eBay store, but anyways. So this is by IBY Beauty. It's poolside palette, and when I found out this was going to be in it, I think we got an email sneak peek. I totally looked it up online, and the colors look really pretty. So this is the packaging. Ooh, and there's a mirror. Hey. Awesome. I like the name. One of them is called Margs. I love margaritas. When I first moved to Florida, I went through this like phase of having a margarita with dinner every day. Like, no wonder I probably gained some lbs. They're so good though. One is called 80 Degrees and Nice. Anyways, here's what it looks like. And if you guys like more try-on style videos, let me know. I probably will start doing those in the future with stuff I got in my boxes. But this looks super pretty. I'm just gonna choose a color. Let's do Margs. No, that's kind of light. Let's try out Splish Splash. Oh, it's so buttery. Look at that, my finger. Oh my gosh, yes. That swatched really well. It's beautiful. Okay, let's try another color. Let's do Dive In. Buttery again. There's a lot of pinks and purples in here, so look at that. I'm really happy with this. I'm gonna have some fun with this tomorrow. I already did my makeup today, so I'm not gonna try it all on now. But yeah, let me know if you want to see this in the future, which you probably will. All right, and there's 2 more items that I have a little announcement about too. The first thing I'll show you. Oh, I didn't tell you how much the palette is or anything. I was getting a little excited there. This is $20 palette. And it says, make waves on the scorching poolside days with this fun-filled eyeshadow palette of show-stopping shades. This palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented and very blendable shades. They do seem like they'd be blendable. Oh my god, I can't get over it. The shadows are infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. The range of eyeshadows was specifically selected for easy transitions and endless creation. Awesome, I'm excited to create some looks with that. But anyways, the next item is an eyebrow product by Shella, and I actually had gotten this before, I believe in a BoxyCharm, and I put it on today, and I like it. It is $26. It says this innovative eyebrow cream has a rich velvety consistency that effortlessly applies to your eyebrows. After application, it can be blended onto your eyebrows and skin to create a truly natural looking finish. So I'm not going to open this one. I'll show you mine. So it's really cool. So one side of it is a brush, and then the other side is the product. It looks like this. Can you see in there? So you just dip the product in there and then you could use it like that. Or if you don't like this brush, because I've heard some people complain it was too big for their eyebrows. I barely have any eyebrows. It works for me, but I am no expert with eyebrow makeup. It's a new thing in my life. But you can use another brush if you want. So since I already have this and it's still working well and hasn't dried out or anything like that, I think I've only had it like 3 months maybe, I am going to do a giveaway with this, and I'm going to do a giveaway with the next item because I also own that in a different shade and I want someone else to enjoy it. So the next thing is by Blanco, which is we received a palette by them in last month's box that I really like, and this is a bee lighter, so it's like a highlighter and a blush in one, and it's in the color Rose Royce, which I think that name is super cute. And this is $17, and it says it's a blush, it's a highlighter, it's a bee lighter. Rose Royce is a creamy balm that reacts to the warmth of skin for a flawless blend. This shade is the newest in the Bee Lighter collection and is a rosy color with a perfect purple shimmery finish. Its smooth application leaves a pigmented glow for the perfect stroke, contour, and touch of color. So I received this in, I believe it was the Benevolent Beauty Box, which is a cruelty-free beauty box, which I really liked. I got it sent one time as a gift by my friend Simon. Thank you, Simon, if you're watching, and I loved it. And I wish I got mine Preacher's Daughter, and I do like this. I just don't always reach for cream blushes or highlighters, mostly because I am clearly a sweater, and I'm in Florida. I probably will like when it gets cooler, but that's like 1 month of the year here. So that's why I want to give my other one away. So I'm swatching this one right now. Sorry, I forgot what I was doing. This is the one. So the winner will get a different shade. And so what I'm going to do, I'm trying something new out for this giveaway. It's going to be different than my 500 subscriber giveaway, which I used a form. I'm going to try something new out to see how this works, but I'm going to do it so you'll leave a comment below, and I'll use a random comment generator thing to pick a winner. So it is going to be US only for this small giveaway. I will have a bigger international giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers, which hopefully will be soon. But for this giveaway, just leave a comment below and let me know, would you prefer more frequent, smaller giveaways on my channel, like this one? Or do you want me to like save up all my goodies and and wait till like I hit like some kind of landmark, or just like get a big box full, and then I'll just do one there. So a bigger giveaway less frequently, or do you want more frequent giveaways? Like whenever I open a box and I already have something, just do a giveaway right then and there. So let me know in the comments below, and also in the comment, let me know like your Instagram handle or your email so I can contact you if you win. And I'll have this end in about a week, so like October 5th. So I'll leave all the information down below in the description box, so in case I missed anything or I'm forgetting. And like I said, I will have a bigger giveaway soon, hopefully, when I reach 1,000 subscribers. But okay, so enter, leave a comment below of what giveaway type you like, and also you must be subscribed to my channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and you will get both of these. So $26 eyebrow product and the $17 bee lighter. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. I want to see how this goes. So again, I'll leave the link to I'll put how I'm going to do the giveaway in the description box. I'll also leave a link to Lola Box if you want to subscribe or learn more about it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. Sorry if it's all over the place. I've never done a giveaway like this before, just a small one. So I'm testing things out and really want to know your opinion, so let me know. And I hope you have a lovely day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.